Today represents the culmination of hard work and dedication of our manufacturing team to modernize and completely transform our local operations in preparation for the launch of the next generation Ranger. The outgoing Ranger has had a very long and illustrious career. 271,000 of those vehicles found homes here in Southern Africa. Over 600,000 were exported to more than 100 markets across the globe. Over the past 11 years, a total of 27 billion rand has been invested in our South Africa operations to build the capability and the confidence to allow us to gear up for the next chapter in our success story.
Today, as I stand here, what a remarkable journey. We've invested in a lot of great facilities, we've invested in a lot of great people, and at the same time, there's a desire to be obsessed with quality. We have belief in you and the people of South Africa to deliver.
We said eventually we'll get to 5,500 employees, and here we are, right? Some of you, brand new employees, 5,500 employees. We created 1,200 new jobs here, right? The industrial park and the suppliers around us, another 10,000. We contribute to more than 1% of the South African GDP. You're so important to the economy and the auto industry.
There are still opportunities. It lies on you guys. I must be honest, only 3 pillars that make this plant to succeed: quality, targets, attendance. 3. So what I want you to do now, make them proud, keep this plant safe, and do what you are supposed to do. You'll be like me. I'm enjoying myself.
The level of excitement and anticipation for the next generation is unbelievable. And I have full confidence that the next gen Ranger will not only meet, but exceed the expectations of our customers. It is more advanced, more powerful, a lot more refined, even more capable and safer than ever before, and the best quality that I have ever seen come out of this facility in my 31 years at Ford Motor Company.
Today is a milestone day. We ran out the P375 last week, and today is the start of our next chapter. So welcome our first job, one vehicle from this plant.
Na